How to disable autocorrect on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable autocorrect on Android phone. First, then open your keyboard and then just click these 3 points here, and now click settings, and here we'll find typing. Click on it, and as you see here you will find autocorrect, and you will find it in this page. And now all you need to do, if you want to disable it, just click on it and then go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's how to disable autocorrect settings on your keyboard on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.